Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today is a brand new video and I am going to be sharing 3 winter home decor DIYs that are so easy to make that anyone can do it. So for the very first one, I'm using these hanging flower pots. I think that's what they would be called, from Dollar Tree, as well as I'm going to be using a dog bandana that I had actually picked up for my dogs, but their necks are too wide and it doesn't fit. And then I'm going to also use some black chalk paint, spray on chalk paint. That I did, I spray painted the spots with the chalk paint, and I'm going to leave 2 as they are. I just didn't want to bore you with me spray painting. It's pretty straightforward. And then this third one, I'm going to hot glue that bandana on to the bottom half circle. You can also use Mod Podge or just regular glue if you want. It doesn't really matter what type of glue you use. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the glue first, glue it on, and then I'm going to cut it out with the rotary cutter right around any excess material that's hanging over. I just love the way this turned out, and the fun part about this project is that you can use it really for any season. I'm going to, I added some flowers for some florals for winter, but you can do it for Valentine's Day and then switch it out for spring and Easter and so on and so forth. For next project, I have this scrap piece of wood that I had left over from one of the projects that was actually those rectangle pieces of chipboard that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I had stained it for another project that I did not use. So I'm using it now, and I'm also using these snowflakes that came from the dollar store as well. I was originally going to spray paint those snowflakes, but it didn't work out as well as I was hoping to. And then these pieces of wood that I did pre-cut in half, I'm going to paint with just some black acrylic paint. Since the spray paint did not work as well as I wanted it to, I just painted these with some white acrylic paint. Originally, I was going to paint one this way and then the other one the other way, just because it's a bit of a different design, but it wasn't working out the way I was hoping to, so I just ended up painting both of them on the same side with the white acrylic paint. Once all the pieces were dried, I just had glued the snowflakes onto it. I think this is such a cute little decor that you can use on your tier trays, and that is exactly how I used mine. This last project was probably the hardest to make, but yet it still was so super easy. So I'm taking these rounds that I picked up at the dollar store and I'm going to paint it with white acrylic paint. And one coat was enough. Now for the next part, you should really use a painter's tape, but for the life of me, I could not find mine. So I'm just using some regular tape and just sectioning off couple sections because I'm going to be painting those with the black acrylic paint. And you want to remove the tape immediately after you are done painting, just so there's no dried paint pulling. Once the paint was completely dry, I used my chalk marker and just wrote welcome on it. You can 100% use your Cricut to cut this out, but I just wanted to show you an easy way to do this with if you don't have a Cricut. So I just went lightly writing it out, and then I went over it again just to thicken up some lines.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed? We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken.
I did not include a letter O because I am adding these snowflakes to that as well as to decorate the piece a little bit.
We fall apart, and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
To finish the piece off, I'm going to be adding a small buffalo check ribbon. I just love the way this looks up against the white and black. And then I'm also going to use just a couple florals that I'm actually using throughout my house currently for the winter decor. And by the way, if you want to see how I'm decorating my house for the winter before kind of in a transitional before the spring, you can go check that out over on my home channel. I am loving the way everything's turning out. And you can also see how some of my DIYs are being used in the decor.
If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No. I don't wanna waste my time. No.
I just love the way everything turned out. I hope that you do too. Let me know which one was your favorite or if you liked all three of them. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So until next time, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!